name's Hannah, and I'm going to make a big room haul. It's just like a room tour. So let's go. Let's get ready. Let's get started, actually. This is me. I'm going to go get some stuff. This is my, not real clock, like set time. Then my mini phone. And my fake money. Looks so real, but you could tell it's not real because it's little. So like a cute eraser. It's cute. And then it's my bell. Say hi. He loves her. Love her. She has my bowl. It's for paint. You can see colors right here. And this. I don't really want to turn it on. It's annoying. Okay, hi. Ow. Sorry. Wait. And this is my purse. I got it for my birthday, and I use it for tap. If you want to see me dance, just go to go to 5678 Dance Studio. Then you'll see me. I only do it sometimes, like not in the morning. And then I got this. It's my favorite. I forgot. She's from Toy Story, though. And my mouse. Okay, let's go with the tour now. Okay, you saw those stuff already. Now let's go see the paint that came with the bowl. My lipstick. I got this at Disneyland, and I'll play the music for you. And once I hear that song, it makes me remember of the day I went to Disneyland with my family. Pet shop. I'm not going to see all my room. I don't want to show that inside. My doll's room. There's more inside, but it's too dark. And my other stuff. My fake computer. It's Barbie. It's me riding on a horse. My lamp. And this. This is my name. And my sunglasses. And my hair tie and my other pet shop and my other stuff. I don't want to go through that right now. And that's my bed. Just my other stuff again. My towels and my medals are in the back. My stuff. My dollhouse. Now let's go through my house. And this is my dad. And that's my brother. My mom's in her room. So goodbye.